Switchel, or Haymaker's Punch, is a frontier-era energy drink that I am trying to reproduce. Here's my recipe. First, we're going to need some water. Then we're going to need about a third of a cup of apple cider vinegar, a third of a cup of honey, some ginger, I'd say about a tablespoon. And let's begin. So first, we're going to pour out a third of a cup of the apple cider vinegar. A third of a cup of honey with this plunger measuring cup. Really awesome for honey. There we go. And then we're just going to grate the ginger with a microplane grater. We're not even going to get rid of the skin because it's going to be grated so finely it'll be fine. Alright, now we're going to combine. First the vinegar. Alright. Now the honey. Okay, I kind of missed the mark a little bit there. Got a little bit on the side. Gonna have to clean that up in a minute. Finally, the ginger. Give it a nice little stir. And then, thanks to editing, I'll have this all cleaned up and I'll give it a good shake. Just make sure the honey is really incorporated into it. Alright, after a couple hours of cooling, now we're ready to take a taste of our Haymaker's Punch. Think of it as Frontier-era Gatorade. Just making a mess today, aren't we? Alright. Let's go get a taste of that. Woo! Ooh, the vinegar's strong, but the honey really cuts through it too. The ginger really gives it a bite. That gets you some hair on your chest. Jeez. Alright. Like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.